Hey there, welcome back to EndlessFoodPot channel. Today we are going to prepare a mouth-watering spinach-corn sandwich along with a veg sandwich with a special bread recipe. Let's dive right in. Turn on the flame and put a pan, add some butter in it, and when it melts, add 1 cup of sweet corn and toss it for a while. Now let's introduce our finely chopped spinach to the pan. After cooking 5 to 10 minutes, take a cup of full cream milk with its cream, add a small teaspoon of corn flour and give it a good whisk. Cream is completely optional, you can avoid it. In the place of cream, you can add only milk. Now, pour this creamy mixture into the pan and stir it well. Let it cook for a few minutes until it thickens. Now it's time to add our cheese cubes. They'll add a delightful creaminess to our mixture, and then add salt as per your taste. Remember, we already have salt in our butter, spinach and cheese. But let's not forget a dash of pepper for that extra flavor. Our spinach corn mixture is now ready to elevate our sandwiches. Now let's make a sandwich first. Let's take 2 slices of bread. On one slice, spread our delicious spinach corn mixture generously. Let's put this sandwich aside for a while. Now let's make a veg sandwich too. Let's take 2 more pieces of bread for that. Spread pizza pasta sauce on one side and mayonnaise on other. Now let's layer on the goodness. Cucumber, onion, tomato and paneer slices on the veg sandwich. Now it's time to add our cheese cubes. If we need, we can add salt and pepper and any herbs, but pizza sauce already has all that. And there you have it, 2 scrumptious sandwiches ready to be toasted. Before we roast our sandwiches, let's prepare a special batter for an extra treat. Take half a cup of gram flour in a bowl and enough salt in it. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Gradually add water and whisk until you achieve a smooth consistency without any lumps. This batter will give our bread a delightful crunch. Here, I forgot to add turmeric. Add a pinch of turmeric and whisk it by adding water until we get perfect consistency. Consistency should come as shown in the video. Now it's time to roast all the sandwiches. Put a little butter on a pan and heat it up. Then let's put the sandwiches we made on it. Before one side gets roasted, let's apply butter to the other side. Let's roast them well. If you have a sandwich maker, do on that. Otherwise, do this. Let's roast the breads on the both sides. Then let's add a little oil on top of the same pan and put a slice of plain bread. After it gets roasted on one side, turn the other side and then spread the gram flour batter generously. After spreading it, layer on thinly chopped tomatoes, green vegetables and finely chopped onions. Drizzle a bit of oil on top of that for perfect finish and flip the bread on the other side. Let's keep it like that for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Once the bread is crispy and golden, our special bread is ready to be devoured. And there you have it, our delectable spinach corn sandwich, veg sandwich and special bread all ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!